Have you got a fly on your nose, Heath?
It's a fly.
Hey, look.
This is a Bengal, the smartest breed on the planet.
He doesn't know he's got a fly stuck to his nose.
Come on, pose for the camera.
Hey.
Oh, has he clocked it?
I think he's just rubbed it off. Hey. No, it's still there.
I think he can see it.
It's not on the wall, Heath, it's on your nose.